and welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. Today, join me in unboxing this item that I recently purchased from Louis Vuitton. Oops, you might be able to see what's here. So first of all, here is the receipt. So I was given these 3 perfume samples. By the packaging, you might be able to guess, and yes, this is a perfume from Louis Vuitton. As a backstory, I initially wanted a travel spray version of this perfume. To be honest, I got influenced by Autumn Beckman as I watched this unboxing, I guess, that she had posted on her channel, and I got so interested that I wanted to buy one. But unfortunately, when I went to the store, the travel spray set is not available, so I decided to purchase this 100 ml of the Louis Vuitton Le Jour Se La Vie perfume. It might sound crazy, but my mind is set to buy this scent already, even though I have not tried it, because maybe I've got so influenced. I watched so many reviews that this do smells great. So as I went there, I tried the different scents and love the Rose de Vent also, and the Courbatan, and also this one. And I knew there is a travel perfume set also, like this one, but when I went to the store, it was not available at that time. So I went home and took this perfume. And few days after, my mind is still with the Rose de Vent and Courbatan perfume. So the question is, do I return this one or not? And the answer is yes, I am returning it, and we'll see if I'll get the Rose de Vent or the Courbatan. I'll definitely keep you posted on that. So for now, that's it. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing. I do hope you like it, and please do subscribe. That's it for now. Thank you, and stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some lux. Bye!